How to use the count function in Excel. I have created an Excel sample template of the IQ test result of the participants for this tutorial. There are registration number, full name, age, gender and scores in the table. Without further ado, let me show you how this works. To count the number of participants, select on the cell C28 and type in the equal sign, count, open parentheses. Select cell B7 and drag your cursor to B26. Hit the return key. You will get 20, the total number of participants for the IQ test. However, the function does not count texts. Let us give it a try. Select on the cell C28 and type in the equal sign, count, open parentheses. Select cell C7 and drag your cursor to C26. Hit the return key. You will get a total count of 0. For this case, the texts are not counted. What if there are missing data in the cells? Will Excel count it? Let's find out. Select on the cell C28 and type in the equal sign, count, open parentheses. Select cell B7 and drag your cursor to D26. Hit the return key. You will get 12, the total number of participants for the IQ test who provided their age. There you have it, the count function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorial. But before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in to turn this count function Excel into an API in the sample template. To do this, I will need AlchemyJ Excel installed and with a preset of rules. Next, I will select the AlchemyJ ribbon, select Generate API and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API which AlchemyJ generates and try using the count function on it. I will expand this tab and select Try it out. Let us imagine that we have 3 participants. Let me input their registration number 1, 2 and 3 in it. So, will I get the count of 3 participants? Yes, we got it. AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.